If you and your team frequently find yourselves repeating the same phrases or sentences often when replying to certain tickets in Teamwork Desk, then canned responses could potentially save you a ton of time. Canned responses allows you to type these responses once, save them, and then easily use them in any ticket. To access our canned responses, we first need to select our profile picture on the top right, then just select Settings. In our Settings window, select the Inboxes tab. Next up, select your inbox. I'll go with Support Inbox. And now in this inbox on the left hand side, select Canned Responses. In our Canned Responses window, we can see all of the currently existing canned responses. Or of course, we can easily add a new canned response. In this window, the first thing we need to do is give our canned response a name. And then down here, we can add our canned response. Of course, we have all of the same formatting options as we usually do. And now I'll quickly just add my response. If we want to share out this particular canned response amongst all of our inboxes, we can easily do so. And then once we're happy, just select Save. And there you go. Now you can see that our C Help Docs canned response has been added. And now that we know how to add our canned responses, let's have a quick look at using them. Now we're making a reply to a ticket in our support inbox. And if we want to use a canned response, all we have to do is select the Insert Canned Response option here. Now just select our canned response, and I'll go with the one that we created earlier. And there you go, that's how easy it is to add and use canned responses in Teamwork Desk. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.